My name is Mishkin Berteig. I've been using Scrum since 2002 and I'm a certified Scrum trainer. I've consulted with some of the largest and most prestigious companies in the world, and I've coached them through a lot of problems with the ways they implement Scrum. These are the Scrum myths. When organizations first start using Scrum, a very common pattern that I see is that they have a single Scrum Master working for multiple Scrum teams. In other words, the shared Scrum Master. This is a very common problem and it leads to a lot of inefficiencies. Funny, because most organizations see this as a way of creating efficiency. One of the biggest problems is that from a Scrum perspective, this is against two important Scrum values: focus and commitment. Now, the Scrum Master needs to be focused on a single Scrum team. They are, of course, responsible for helping with the process, but also removing obstacles for that team. And they need to be committed to that team because commitment is one of the ways that we create high-performance teams. The question really is, do you want a good team or do you want a great team? So good teams have, people supporting them. They've got, the right things in place, skills-wise and so forth, but there's something really missing from that. And one way you can look at it is in comparison to sports teams. So a good sports team, maybe like a bunch of 5-year-olds playing, for example, soccer or baseball, they might have a coach who is also a parent. They maybe coach other teams as well at that level. And in fact, for that sort of very junior environment, good means having fun. Doesn't have as much to do with performance. And in that case, having a shared coach or a shared Scrum Master is perfectly acceptable. On the other hand, if you want a great team, professional level sports team, for example, a pro team has a committed, dedicated, full-time coach. You don't share your coach with another professional team. This is actually very simply a conflict of interest. That focus and commitment needs to be completely on a single team. Now, of course, there are some organizations, perhaps where you have small Scrum teams, and you think, well, gosh, my Scrum Master isn't going to be very busy if he or she is only working with a single team. There's actually a much better solution than sharing your Scrum Master, and that is that the Scrum Master is part-time. Now, when I say part-time, what I mean is that they're still full-time on the team. They are committed and focused to the single team, but the role of Scrum Master is part-time, and that person could be doing other things. Perhaps they help out with some testing, perhaps they assist the product owner with splitting product backlog items. Whatever it may be, they still have the focus and the commitment, which is what makes a great team. So please do not share your Scrum Master across multiple teams. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments section below. We'll try to answer them in future videos. If you're struggling with Scrum, contact us. We can help. Thanks for watching.